Yep. So much for our little afternoon hike at Radnor. Because it is fully raining. What do you think, buddy? Is it raining? Yeah. We were going to go for a walk, but it looks like it's too wet. You see how the water is just hitting the ground so hard? So much water. If we were outside, we'd be getting soaked right now. Yeah. We're actually getting soaked as it is. Alright, we're gonna have to pack it up. The wind just picked up. Whoa! Yep. It's coming in. What do you think, Arya? Woo! My feet are getting wet. Oh, yeah.
That's hail.
Is that hail?
Yes.
That is hail. Wow. Yeah, I see it's small, but there it is on the ground. There's little pieces of hail. You got her, she didn't fall out. Awesome. Is Devin gonna get you? Is Devin gonna get you? Is he trying to get you? So, rained out of Radnor. This is the next best thing, apparently. McDonald's playground. It's so funny how she runs away when she sees him coming. Hey, Arya. Hey, girl. Did it. Whoa. So yeah, so it was raining today, and we were going to go to Radnor, but we got rained out. So instead, we made a basketball hoop. Oh, missed it. With its own return.
Bomb.